What are you doing?
Licking chocolate.
What's that from?
Chocolate cake.
Oh. Did you mix it all by yourself?
Yes.
Do you remember what we put in it?
Eggs.
Mm-hmm.
Oil. Water.
Did you use the mixer?
Yep.
Please note the Christmas music on January 8th, 2011.
What does that mean?
It means that Christmas was a long time ago and you still want to listen to Christmas music. That's all. And that's okay, isn't it? Yeah. Do you want to say anything to Poppy? Are you too busy eating chocolate?
Well, I love you, Poppy. Bye.